I am not a dummy and you are not a dummy either. But if I could grasp the concept of cryptocurrency, which enabled me make enough profit to pay my rent, buy a new phone, as well as celebrate my birthday, then you can understand cryptocurrency as well as begin making profit from it. Disclaimer, I'm just a girl who is keen on making sure that she is never broke in life again. Lola is here again. In today's video, I am fulfilling my promise on how to invest in cryptocurrency, what cryptocurrency is, what apps you need on your phone, how much you need to invest in cryptocurrency, and how to take profits. Just a quick backstory. If you've seen my previous 3 videos on YouTube, you'll see that I was creating a series titled 12 Days Until My Rent Expires, and I was counting down from day 12 up until the day my rent expires. I created that series just to give hope to someone out there who might be going through life's challenges, and the point of me making that video was to help someone hold on, keep trusting, keep believing, keep affirming, keep reaffirming, keep manifesting amidst the physical expression of the things you don't want. I couldn't keep up with that series because my life changed so fast. My life took a very huge leap through financial abundance. It's never too late, my friend. What is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is basically digital money that is not controlled by any government or any bank. It is under the belt kind of money. It is not controlled by any financial institution, any governmental institution. Nobody has a hold, nobody has a complete monopoly over cryptocurrency. It's basically money that prints itself through the influx of people in the market. It is money any and everybody can have access to through mining, through investments, through airdrops, and other means that people have access to cryptocurrency. The more the people come into the market, the higher the money goes. The more the people leave the market, the more the money crashes. Now, why do you need crypto? There are various reasons why I implore you to get into the crypto market. Number one is simply because it is a global currency that is accepted worldwide. There is no place on earth where cryptocurrency is not useful, accepted, or traded. You can send it to anyone, anywhere, in any part of the world. You can send money in the value of crypto to anybody, anywhere, in any part of the world. Another reason you need crypto is because it is secure and it cannot easily be stolen, but it can easily be lost. The most important reason why you need crypto is because it has the potential to get you rich. This is how so many people have gotten so wealthy over these years that we've been sleeping on these guys. You cannot sleep on crypto. This is me telling you, sister to sister, sister to brother, sister to human being, you cannot sleep on crypto in 2025. Cryptocurrency has the potential to get you rich, or better still, open you up to the possibilities of financial freedom. If you're looking to live a comfortable life, if you're looking to make money in ways that you have to make the money passively, you're not actively doing any brain work, any physical work to crypto works like stocks. Stocks is more like where you have to buy shares in a particular company, and when the value of that company goes up, then you are paid dividends. So when the value of cryptocurrency goes up, then you can take profit. So cryptocurrency are just like stocks. They go up 10%, 30%, 90%, 200%, 900%, 1,000%, 3,000%. Yes, cryptocurrency has the potential to climb. Exponential climbing. Cryptocurrency tends to exponentially climb because people are always getting into the market every single day. So when the value of whatever cryptocurrency you decide to invest in goes up, it simply means that whatever principal, whatever capital will go up to as the value of that coin goes up. It's the same logic as investing in stocks or buying shares. Let's talk about the major cryptocurrencies that you should consider investing in. Everybody knows about Bitcoin. You know Bitcoin. I know Bitcoin. My cat knows Bitcoin. My brother knows Bitcoin. My children know Bitcoin. Even though they are unborn, they know about Bitcoin. Basically, Bitcoin is the #1 recognized world cryptocurrency. Everybody knows when Bitcoin went The second major cryptocurrency that is widely recognized is Ethereum, my baby. Ethereum is a smart crypto that runs apps and contracts. How can you access crypto? Instead of traditional money, which requires for you to go to the bank to be able to run some transactions, cryptocurrency gives you the access to be able to access it from the comfort of your home. So right here, right now, I can access every single thing that has to do with cryptocurrency, which is going beyond just my wallet. I know exactly what the market looks like, the amount of people that are coming into the market each and every day, how many people are selling, how many people are buying, the volumes they are buying. I literally have the record book of the whole cryptocurrency market on my hands. And you also have the liberty to have access to all of that information too. There are so many apps that offer you the ease to be able to access, fund, trade, invest, and exchange cryptocurrency on your phones, but I'm going to just mention a few which I have found to be really easy to navigate because this is cryptocurrency for dummies. The number one app is Binance. Binance is super easy to work with. Binance is accepted in most countries. Second app is Bybit. The third app is SafePal. And then the fourth app, we have Gates.io. Now to the most asked question of all time. How much do I need to invest in cryptocurrency? Lola, how much do I need to invest in cryptocurrency? Look, let me tell you something. If you have $2, invest it in cryptocurrency. If you have $10, invest it in cryptocurrency. If you have $50, invest it in cryptocurrency. If you have $100, please go ahead and invest it in cryptocurrency. If you have $1,000, please invest in cryptocurrency. If you have $10,000, do not hesitate to invest in cryptocurrency. It doesn't matter how much you have, you are going to make profits. Your growth on cryptocurrency is not essentially dependent on how much you are willing to invest in it. Whatever it is you have to invest in it, go ahead and invest. It's an investment. If one Bitcoin is worth $103,000, it simply means you can buy Bitcoin worth of $10,000. You can buy Bitcoin worth of $3,000. You can buy Bitcoin worth of $30. You can buy Bitcoin worth of $10. The only thing this is going to impact is how much profit you're going to make at the end of the day. If Bitcoin is worth $100,000 today and it increases exponentially to $110,000, and then you enter the market and you bought Bitcoin worth of $1,000, it simply means that if Bitcoin went up to $110,000, then your initial capital of $1,000 is going to create profit of $100, because when you make $100 and you take off your $100, you still have your capital of $1,000 in Bitcoin, and Bitcoin is going to keep growing. So meaning it's going to keep increasing in value. That means your capital will keep generating interest for you over and over and over and over and over again. The only thing is that the value of your Bitcoin is going to keep dropping. So this is basically a crypto investment. The money I had available to me at the time was what I invested, which was $25. I bought Bitcoin worth $25 in 2022. And at April 2025, the value of the Bitcoin I had bought at $25 had grown to over $1,000. Yes, I know this sounds sickening and it sounds like a mind, but it is what it is. I bought Bitcoin $25 and I came back home with $1,000. Clap for me. Clap for grace. It took a few years to be able to turn $25 into $1,000, but I wasn't in a hurry. I wasn't in a rush. I wasn't expecting so much at the time from it. I was just like, you know what, I'm just going to buy this with what I have and I'm just going to leave it there. Now that I discovered that, oh my goodness, $25 to $1,000, that's over 3,500% increase. That's a lot. I was like, you know what? I have to get in fully into this market. And since April until now, which is May the 11th, I've been trading and I'm not doing proper exchanges like the crypto gurus would do. However, I have made so much profit in the span of 3 weeks. This profit has helped me pay my rent. Crypto was what helped me pay my rent. And then I'm not going to negate the fact that I had Destiny helpers too. I was able to use crypto to celebrate my birthday. And it takes money to celebrate a birthday. It doesn't matter the amount of guests you are having. Crypto helped me do that. Cryptocurrency was what helped me buy my new filming gadgets. Now, the mathematics is this. If my $25 grew up to $1,000, does that mean that if I had bought Bitcoin worth $250 at the time of my investment, I would have had $10,000 sitting in my account? Food for thought. But wait a minute, does it also mean that if I had bought Bitcoin worth $2,500 at the time that I bought it at $25, does it mean that I would have had $100,000 sitting in my account? $100,000? If I had bought Bitcoin worth $2,500, do you know how much $2,500 is in Naira? 2,500 as at the time when I bought Bitcoin was 1,000 Naira. Meaning if I had bought Bitcoin worth 2.5 million Naira, if I had taken the leap of faith to even borrow money, to buy Bitcoin worth 2.5 million Naira, I would have been worth $100,000 right now. You better talk to me easy. The only thing that is saving you now is that I bought Bitcoin worth $25. But yeah, if I had bought Bitcoin worth $2,500, I would have been worth $100,000 now. Oh my gosh. This is not something to sleep on. This is money that is accessible to everybody. Your portion is available. Your portion is available. This is literally money flipping. Buy Bitcoin, buy Ethereum, buy alternative coins that have the potential to blow up in the future. And please, let's be rich together. I don't want to get rich and somebody's coming to beg me for money. I will slap you. Don't be the parent that your child will have to ask, Daddy, where were you when your friends were investing? Mommy, where were you when your friends were investing? When your children start seeing their mates going on private jets, going on private trips that their parents are taking them on, please don't be the parents. Don't be that parent that your child will be asking, Mommy, where were you? God forbid. Aside my children, I want a good life for myself. If you are enjoying this content so far, I implore you to please like, share, subscribe to my channel if you want to see more financial talks like these, and leave me a comment of what you think below. Have you invested in cryptocurrency ever? What are your thoughts on cryptocurrency, and will you be investing in cryptocurrency? The amount of money you decide to invest is solely based on your own discretion. However, you must bear in mind that the more the volume your capital is, the more likely the volume on your profit will be, the more likely the volume on your return on investment will be. In my next video, I will be sharing with you how to fund your wallet so you can go ahead to buy cryptocurrency and fully invest in cryptocurrency. Until this time next week, I'll see you in my next video.